are now watching Open Unboxing and Review.
Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Live in the Mystic Black. So in here, it's like just some literature. I'm not even gonna open that up. Here's the case. It's got a nice glossy black finish, USB-C charging, light indicator. Pretty nice, small compact case. And it looks like right out of the box they are already charged. Pretty nice looking. So after the unboxing, I will be doing a sound review video on these also. So in the box, you also get two different tips. I'm gonna say medium and large, and then another Samsung USB-C cable, and they're definitely one of the better USB-C cables out there. Alright, so I will be back with a sound review.